Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's really quick video, I just want to show you guys how to package a client's order once it's done. This is very straightforward, so this video will be extremely short, but still, I took the liberty to take down a few notes so we don't get too off track. But basically the main takeaway of what you need to do is, first of all, obviously produce your garment. And once it's done, you're going to move on to the next step. So you're going to take your garment and you're going to place it upside down. So in our case, we have a few prints. So this is a prime example. The first thing you want to do is to fold up your garment as so. After it's folded on the bottom, you want to, after that, take your sleeves and fold them all nice and tight on the folder. This, as well as the other side. Also guys, I have a link down in the description for this folder. It's like 20 bucks on Amazon. A no-brainer if you have a lot of clothing to fold. After that, really straightforward, you just fold like this. You fold on the other side. Now, as you can see on this side, this is where we have our logo. So once you've actually folded this way, it's going to give a nice preview of what the client is going to be unboxing. So this is very nice. You can put it in the box afterwards, and once the client opens the box, it's going to really look nice. Not all the order is going to be, you know, just thrown inside of the box like this. So you want to make sure that you fold them all nicely. And even if you have a big order, I suggest you take the time to do this. It's just a very more professional way of opening up the box. So guys, this is what it looks once it's inside the box. So when the client opens the box, it's going to look really nice, and it's going to give a professional look to anything you printed on. So if you found this video somewhat helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.